Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Quick video. You ready, guys? All right. Well, 12-volt battery coming out of the positive of the 12-volt battery, going into the start primary wire on this. This is the bifilar. Primary wire's 16 gauge magnetic wire. Going in there with the positive, out the other end, coming out the other end, and going to this coil, and has the same setup as the primary as a bifilar. And we're going into the start of that one, and out of that one, we come back, we hit a reed switch, which is the switching device. They come back out of that, go right to the negative side of the battery. So there's your loop right there. And on this one, I got that one going into a full wave bridge rectifier, going into that digital meter, and it takes 3 volts to fire that meter up, so it's a load itself. And over here comes into a full wave bridge rectifier, and which is down there. And then it comes up, it goes to this meter, and there's the volts there. Now, the difference between these two coils is this coil, they both have the primary, or the prime mover is both 300 turns. So that's identically the same. And they're both wound the same, to where they put a north pole coming out at those ends, okay? The magnets that I have on there are 4 magnets, and they're all north pole heading out. So we're making a compression of 2 magnets together, north pole against north pole. So it's pushing the wheel. There's no pulling here. There's no Lenz law effect happening. This side has 15 volts, that side has 5 volts. And the reason is this side is wound the secondary, or the trigger wire, we'll call it. The wire is 26 gauge, 1600 turns. This one is 22 gauge, 1200 turns. So you can see the difference on the two coils, how they're wound. So I'll post a video tonight. I'll do a live broadcast around 7:30 Eastern time. And what we're going to do, did I mention that I couldn't get these to stay on? It was flashing with no numbers. So I decided to smooth out the signal coming in from the coil. Out of the full wave bridge rectifier, I'm going into a capacitor. So it seemed to smooth it out, and I get a pretty constant number, okay? Did the same thing on both sides. So now I'm thinking, okay, well, we know that the pressure is building up inside these, and we know that the volts that we see are here, but they're extremely losing. So we're going to come out of both of those, and we're going to dump them into something and do some experiments tonight. All right, my bro hands. Peace out.